So this is really simple to do. Undo the bin, remove the bin. Then when you see down inside here, there is 2 contacts. If this is full of dust and hair, you need to get it out of there. If you need to get it out, you can watch my previous video, or just get a small screwdriver, push on this little white tab here, push on one side of it, push the little white tab just on the other side. You can then remove the dust filter, and you can clean any dust and debris out from these 2 connections. It's these 2 connections here, they make connections with these 2 here. You need to make sure these are clean, and then that brings power around here and then out down these 2 metal connections into the brush bar. So if everything's fine with the handheld end, you then need to come down to the brush bar end. As you can see, these brush bars get a lot of hair in them, and I'm going to show you first of all how to remove this. All you need to do is turn this over. You can use a spoon, a coin, or anything in the end here. Twist this, and then you can slide this brush bar out. So this is one part, and I'll show you what gets clogged up in here. But there is also a second part in here, and I'm going to show you how to clean this part out in 2 seconds. So normally these are very full in the end, just here and in here, with hair that gets twisted round and round. Obviously we need to clean all of this out. All you need to do with that is get a pair of scissors, cut down between the bars and remove all of the hair from here. Make sure there is no hair in this end here or in this bearing part here, because this goes together and that's what spins, and that will get clogged up and that will stop your Dyson from spinning. So now onto this part. What you're going to want to do with this part is you can remove this one here as well, and this will just allow you to clean inside the brush bar more, but we don't need to worry about that for this. We'll remove that for the moment. Just down inside the end there, you probably can't see it, just where my thumb is, there is a tiny Torx. It's a T8. Not sure if this is the right size screwdriver. So with that screw undone, you can now I'm sure that screw is undone, it might not be. Certainly feels like it's undone, and I'll show you just how much hair we end up with in here. So that's the part that we just undid, and there is the tiny little T8 screw that goes inside it. Now look, the reason your brush bar is not spinning is because all of this debris and hair gets clogged up inside here. So all you have to do, like I've just shown you there, is undo that T8 screw and then come in here and remove all of that. Look at that. No wonder that little thing wasn't spinning round. See how that's all cleaned up? We're just going to replace the there. We're going to put this screw back in, and then we're just going to screw this on. I'm just going to reassemble this very quickly just to show you that it will now spin. There we are, that's now tight. I know the brush bar's still got the previous hair on it, but I don't think the hair is actually stopping it from rotating. I think the clogged up end was what was actually stopping it, so we just put this back in. Get the all we're going to do is just put it on like this and clip it in, and there you go, it clips into place. We're going to replace our dustbin. Put that back on there. Replace this onto there. And there we go. So that's how you repair your Dyson brush bar when it no longer spins on the Dyson V6, V7 and V8 models. Thanks for watching, guys. If